Lovito, Lovito, and Lovito.
Hey, I think you're cute. Can I hit you up on Instagram? Cause you are the only thing I'm thinking of. And I can't stop it, I'm wishing you and I were talking.
Hi, it's me, Tristine, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Lovito haul, and I want you guys to please stick around because later on I'm going to give you guys a 25% discount code. So today I'm going to show you, I think, more or less 15 pieces from Lovito that I recently got, and kasali na dun yung suot ko ngayon. I really love it. These are my favorite pieces from Lovito, kaya sinuot ko na for this vlog. Wait lang, may nakalimutan ako. Let's get it. This one. So this one is also from Lovito, and nung nag-add to cart ako, iniisip ko na talaga ano yung mga pagteterno-ternohin ko. And the good thing about Lovito, guys, is ang daming masarap na i-mix and match. And sila mismo yung lookbook nila, parang mabibigyan ka nila ng idea kung paano mo isa-style yung mga items. Lovito, and Lovito. So we're going to do what I ordered versus what I got. But before I start, flex ko lang yung lash extensions ko. These are from Lovito in San Fernando. These are 3D lashes and I really love it. Yan. Kapag nag-shoot ako, guys, much more confident ako kapag meron akong lashes. And also, ang pangit na ng nails ko. The good thing is I don't have to go to the salon anymore because I have this fake nails. Yan. Ililink ko na lang din down below itong fake nails ko. This one naman is from Carabella. Really nice. Ang dami pa nilang magagandang accessories sa Instagram account nila. You could just check them out. And this one, I really like because katerno siya nung skirt na suot ko right now. This is a closer look naman of the necklace. At first, akala ko para siya yung garter na uso nung 90s. Parang elementary ako nung nauso yun. Nakikita ko sa Spice Girls, ganyan. But this is not garterized. Parang siyang tela. So, I like it kasi hindi siya parang nakaka-irita sa neck. It came with this star na pendant. My daughter's name is Tala. That's why I really love anything na may star. The second item on our haul is this top. It's kind of cropped. I like it kasi corset type siya. Sexy siya, but at the same time, demure pa rin kasi meron siyang puff na sleeve. This one, they call it the Squid Game top. I have no idea why. Kasi hindi pa ako nanood ng Squid Game. But yeah, yun yung name na sa Shopee. Meron din tong white. This skirt, it's super nice. Kasi pwede mo pa siyang ternohan ng any basic top na black. And what I love about it is, guys, ayan o. At first, akala ko naka-double lining siya. But, guys, it's actually shorts. Ayan. Fourth item is, ito nga pinakita ko sa inyo kanina na shades, diba? Kung sa mall mo ito bibilin, this is like 400 pesos and this is 82 only and the quality is parang pang mall. Ito naman, plan ko siya na isuot sa Tagaytay kasi may upcoming kami na Tagaytay trip. And the good thing about it is, makakapag-forma tayo ng panglamig-lamig weather, but it's not super kapal na tipong papawisan ka. Perfect for malamig na weather sa Pilipinas. And you can wear it na ipapatong mo siya or you can wear it as is. Me, I'm planning to wear it na as is. Hindi ko na siya ipapatong. And I'm gonna pair it with this next item. It's giving me very gossip girl vibes. Feeling ko kapag sinuot ko to and this one, kung mag-a-add lang ako ng beret, para na akong si Blair Waldorf. This one, guys, I like na makapal yung tela niya. Kasi kapag white, minsan alanganin akong bumili. Kasi feeling ko manipis yung tela and then magsi-see-through siya. But this one is very makapal yung tela niya. And yung kind of tela niya is hindi yung luputin. Tapos this is giving me nostalgia as well. Kasi majorette ako nung elementary. So feeling ko back to my majorette days. Ito ang sexy nito kapag suot. Ang gulo-gulo niya lang pag naka-hanger. Pero basta ito yung naka-pa-etch siya dito. And kung paano mo siya nakita sa photo ni Lovito, ganun talaga siya in person. And makapal to. Maganda tong i-pair sa mga neutral na bottoms, either brown na shorts or brown na trousers. This one naman is a shirt dress na white. I love it because it's giving me major old money vibes or major LA girl, California girl na vibes. You could wear it na plain, pero I got this one separately and it's super nice when worn together. I think ito yung bestseller ni Lovito. Parang ang dami ko nakitang bumili nito. Actually, the first time I added it to my cart, na sold out siya before ko pa man siya ma-check out. So, hinintay ko pa na mag-restock sila. Ayan, ang cute niya tingnan. Harap and likod. Ombre pa siya. Small na to, pero medyo maluwang pa siya sa akin. But I think that's the fit niya talaga. Yung fit niya talaga is medyo the baggy type ng jeans para more of naka-flare siya sa'yo than fit. Next item on the list is this. It's the Venus cropped rib cut out na top. This is my very first Lovito item. Nung time na nakikita ko pa lang si Lovito sa Shopee na parang, oh, ang gaganda ng mga designs pero hindi ako sure sa quality. Bumili lang ako ng isa and ito yon. And I love how versatile it is kasi pwede siyang pang casual, pwede siyang pang athleisure, tapos parang pwede mo na siyang pang swim basta magterno ka lang ng undergarments. This is very special to me because I wore it when I hosted Clark Aurora Fest. So ito yung suot ko ng day 1 ng umaga. Nung gabi kasi nagpalit na ako ng damit. Anyway, if you were there, kung napanood mo ako mag-host, hello! Next is this one. Parang gusto ko lang kasing magpaka-Rai Velasco. Nakita ko kasi siya na naka-one piece siya and then tinaternohan niya lang ng coat. So, I'm gonna do that as well. This is a one piece na backless. Kung nagtataka kayo ano yung one piece, hindi siya swimwear. One piece siya na bodysuit. Yan, bodysuit yung tawag sa kanya. Next, we have this swimwear. Kasi wala lang, naisipan ko rin magtingin ng swimwear. Pero hindi ko na ito try on. This one is in medium. And makapal siya. Tapos maganda yung pagkakalagay ng pads niya. Okay yung mga tahi-tahi niya. Tapos, I got my sister this long dress kasi gusto kong tingnan yung iba't ibang design. So, nag-order din ako ng maxi dress. But since I'm not tall, I'm gonna give this one to my sister. So, I'm not gonna try it on na. I think, kung para sa akin, I would buy a small one. But this is for my ate kasi. So, this is medium. And ang ganda ng pagkaka-blue niya. It's very cool sa eyes. Makapal din yung tela niya. Not so makapal na parang hindi na presko, but makapal to the point na hindi siya magsisi-through. This is the only shorts na meron tayo sa haul. I got another one, same design. This one is for my sister. Kasi nung nag-check out ako, sobrang natuwa ako sa mga items. So sabi ko parang okay ipang regalo sa Lovito, lalo na very affordable naman siya. So hindi na natin tatanggalin sa plastic kasi exactly the same lang as this. Now let's go to the last item on this haul. This one is for my sister also, for my other sister. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, gusto kong i-try na i-check out yung iba-iba nilang items. From maxi dresses, to crop tops, to skirts, jeans, shorts, necklace, eyewear, iba-iba talaga. So, kanina meron din tayong swimwear, and then meron din tayong shirt dress, and then meron din tayong belt. This one naman is pang-run siya. Ayan, sabi niya, run happy. Anong cute ng pagka-red niya. Favorite kasi ng sister ko yung red. This one is medium. So, okay lang naman na maluwang siya kasi definitely tatarnahan mo naman ng sports bra sa loob. But, if magka-size tayo, I think pwede sa atin yung medium, pwede din yung small lang. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please feel free to use my code. It's LOVIAN55 for 25% discount. Dalawa kasi guys yung type ng vouchers pag nag-check out tayo. Merong Shopee voucher. Ito yung karaniwan na mamimili ka kung free shipping or kung cashback. And meron din tayo shop vouchers. Either mag-enter ka dyan ng code or mag-claim ka ng mga vouchers na 20 pesos off, minimum purchase of this. Click mo lang yung shop vouchers and then enter mo lang yung code ko, LOVIAN55. So yan, sana magamit nyo sa upcoming na payday sales, sa 8.8, sa 9.9, sa 10.10. Ayan, wala namang expiration date yung aking code. Lastly, if you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and mag-subscribe ka na din. I'll see you in my next one. All the items are linked down below. So happy shopping! Bye!